Okay. The raising of the Philippine flag at the Barangay Hall. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Malay Municipal Hall. Salamat kuya.
Thank you.
Iloilo?
Yeah, Iloilo, Buwanga.
Oh, keep going. Salamat. Thank you very much. It's a lovely, lovely day here in Malay Municipal. That's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right, I'm just securing my bag. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's 6:45 in the morning. The road is very, very nice. And I've just found this little bay with what looks like a CR, but it's got these little beach flowers. They look like primroses. It's a low tide. It's got a real deep, powerful smell of seaweed, and it's really, really nice. Brings back childhood memories back in the UK. So I'm just on the side of the road coming along, and these young lovely ladies and lovely people, they've run out of tubig, no water, so they've got a fire and they're heating up the pipe and they're making the repair, not waiting for the water board. Oh. No tubig. What is this province? The name? Huh? What? What is it, ma'am? Kuya? Name here?
Sitio Masag.
Panilungan?
Panilungan, Buruanga. Sitio Masag, Panilungan, Buruanga.
Oh, very nice, ma'am. Salamat, thank you very much.
From where are you?
I come from London, but I live in Davao with asawa.
Asawa.
I ride Philippines on my scooter from Davao.
To Boracay?
No, I do Legazpi, Sorangans, Manila, Baler, San Juan, La Union, all. Yeah, I have my labot very, very sore. Hello. Oh, ma'am, come on. Practice your English. Okay, no problems. Nosebleed? You are shy. Very shy. But guapa. Oh. In the middle of the provinces, we're getting a full tank of petrol. Notice to the public. There we go. This refilling station project of JJ gas station has been issued a certificate of non-coverage. Whatever that means, I don't know. There's a puppy dog over there giving me a lot of crap. Very, very nice. Kuya, where is this?
Union Libertad, Antique.
Antique. Okay. Not a soul on the beach. It's all mine, all mine, all mine. This is my beach. crabs, snorkeling, the diving. There's Sequoia Island out here somewhere. Out on a bunker, got white sandy beaches. Look at this one, this beach. Lost for words, really. Lost for words. I love Bulaan. It's a dog's life. Ay kuya, kumusta? Early to rise. It's a lovely house. It's like a little cul-de-sac of little hills, and then you've got the rice fields, and then they're ploughing here. Money is around. Houses, palm trees. It is hard to make a living here. So the town behind me is Kulasi. I just had a spicy dog, 9 o'clock for breakfast. Never had one though before. Got it in a 7-Eleven. It's quite a nice town. Everything is on this main road, the 501. All the hardware stores. There's not a lot off of it either way, but there's houses and built up areas. Very, very pleasant people. That's what I found here today. Very pleasant. There's a farmers there looking after their corn. What is beautiful, beautiful views. The vistas are absolutely stunning. The mountain, the sky, the warmth, the people. I'm really, really, really enjoying this trip on the 501. It's 502 was great, and this one is just as good. It's just an amazing 3-hour journey I've just had. It's just amazing. On the beach, I'm having local food today. Local breakfast food. San Miguel Light. There we go. Oh, look at that. Pork binagon. And then beans and butternut squash with coconut milk. Looks absolutely lovely. And where am I? I'm here.
This is your rice.
Okay, salamat ma'am. Very nice. Where's mine? Oh, look at that. Can you get better for breakfast? Okay guys, now it is the shock time. Big, 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 big shock. How much, mum?
It's 185.
Guys, you heard that. 185 peso for the food I've just had. This is the cheapest meal I've had on this journey. This is called Club Ocean View Resort and Restaurant.
Yes.
And it's here on the bay. On what area is this? Barangay.
It's Barbasa. Town of Barbasa, sir.
Town of Babasa,
Antique.
province of Antigua. We left Caticlan this morning at 6 o'clock and I arrived in Iloilo at 4. Google turned around and said it was 3 hours. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I really don't know what I'm doing wrong. But Jim took 7, I took 8, and Google can turn around. The guy that actually does Google Maps, he needs to come over and get on a bike and try and do what he reckons they can do with Google. But I'm here near the port because we're gonna stay here 2 days, and then we're gonna catch the ferry over to Bacolod or Bacolod. We're going to stay there. Tomorrow we're going to have a walk around Iloilo. We're going to go do a fish lunch. We're going to go to Molo Park. Then we're going to turn around and do a couple of churches. Jim's going to get his nails done. Shut him up. Jim's going to get his nails done. Hello, Mum.
Yes, sir.
Who are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Bell, sir.
Oh, this is Belle. Look, there we go. See?
Hi.
Hello, Belle. Nice to see you.
Sir.
The muffin looks very, very nice, Belle.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Calamad. And then we're going to look at different areas. So Jim's staying over, this guy here, he's staying over at SM on diversion 16. I'm actually in the centre next to the 1504 prison that was out here, which has been turned into a cafe bar and a museum, and it's next to the river, so it's right down in the middle of Iloilo. It's a very, very nice city. I'm staying here at the Days Hotel, 2,100. I did ask for the discount, pension discount. They turned around and said, no, the room is already been discounted, so you don't get a discount. Yeah, I think that's incorrect under Philippine law. If you're running a promotion and you're running a promo and an OFW and a retired Filipina or Filipino requires the discount or requests a discount, you need to give the discount. You can't turn around and say the room has already been discounted. I don't think you're allowed to do that. But I'll check that out when I get back to Davao. Anyway, gonna have a cup of coffee, I'm gonna chill out, and my body is aching. Had a great day today. The beaches here are empty, there's nobody on them. Somebody turned around and said to me, because there is a dog show tomorrow, but wouldn't you be at the beach today swimming? And I had lunch today, 2 types of pork with a beer and a rice for $1.85. I've not had that since 2012, 2015. Great price. Great place. Check it out.